have a surprise I got for you from Target.
What are they?
Gummy Yum.
Gummy Yum. Oh, it says I get a doggy.
These are also dairy, gluten, egg, and nut-free, which is perfect because we are gluten-free. 8 different flavors on this.
Delicious. Gummy Yum.
This will keep you busy, huh?
It has orange. Wiggly, wiggly.
Should we open our eggs?
Yeah.
Ooh, there are 5 surprises and a fun fact.
I get it. I get this cute little puppy.
Let you get a build. Aw, cute. Little hairbrush for her puppy.
I'm going to eat this one again. I'm going to get a dinosaur next.
Build.
Run!
Oh, it's a little shovel.
That was fun.
Was that fun? You want to do it again?
I love Gummy Yum.
You love it? I like it too. Okay, let's do another one.
Bye.